In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to work the elongated Smyrna stitch. This stitch is a beautiful variation of the traditional Smyrna stitch. By elongating the vertical arms, we get a lovely decorative motif with a slightly taller floral appearance. It is simple to work and can be used beautifully in floral embroidery borders and many other designs. The elongated Smyrna stitch is worked over 3 by 5 holes on any even weave fabric. To begin, we first work a regular cross stitch over the 3 by 5 hole area. Make one diagonal stitch from one corner to the opposite corner and then complete the second diagonal stitch to form the cross. Once the cross is completed, we add a plus symbol over the center of the cross. For this, bring the needle up at the center and work a vertical straight stitch followed by a horizontal stitch. The vertical arms are longer than the horizontal arms, which gives this stitch its characteristic elongated appearance. And that's it. The elongated Smyrna stitch is complete. The simple combination of a cross stitch and a plus symbol creates a lovely textured motif that can be used in borders, floral designs and decorative patterns. This stitch can be worked using either a single color or two different colors. When working with one color, both the cross stitch and the plus symbol are worked using the same thread. This gives the stitch a simple and uniform appearance. If you want to create a more colorful effect, you can use two colors. First, work the cross stitch in one color. Then, using a contrasting color, work the plus symbol over the cross stitch. So, depending on your project, you can choose either a single color combination for a subtle look or a two color combination for a more decorative and eye-catching effect. For my sample, I have worked the elongated Smyrna stitch on 14 count Aida fabric with 6 strands of embroidery floss. In the first row, I have worked the entire stitch using one color. Both the cross stitch and the plus symbol are worked with the same thread color, giving the row a simple and uniform look. In the second row, I have used two colors. I have worked the cross stitch in one color and plus symbol in a contrasting color. This makes the elongated Smyrna stitch stand out beautifully and gives the second row a more colorful appearance. By working these two variations next to each other, you can clearly see how the same stitch looks when worked in one color versus two colors. You can experiment with different color combinations to create your own beautiful patterns and borders. You can also work this stitch in a normal cotton fabric also. In that case, keep your stitches even in length and spacing for a neat finish. It can be worked as a single motif or repeated to create a border or pattern. And that brings us to the end of today's tutorial on the elongated Smyrna stitch. I have also included the stitch pattern to help you follow the placement and work the stitch easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoyed learning this beautiful stitch. Try it out on your favorite even weave fabric and experiment with different color combinations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more embroidery tutorials and designs. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next embroidery tutorial. Happy stitching!